Hey guys, what's going on? Rob here. Welcome back to the channel, Fully Loaded Customs. So on today's video, we've got the 1971 Chevelle behind me. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting this thing torn apart and ready for sandblasting. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so now that I got this front clip all taken off on the Chevelle, the next thing I'm going to do is get to that window trim. So the front clip is pretty quick. I think it only took about 40 minutes or something this time just to get the whole thing off. Really quick. I didn't have to deal with any of the seized bolts or nothing like that, so it went pretty quick. So now I'm going to be on to the stainless steel trim. So this lower part's going to be pretty easy to take off. Same with the windshield wipers and stuff like that. That won't be too hard. If you don't know how to take off this stainless steel trim here, I'll show you really quick. All you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find something. I use two tools for this. So I use my trim removal tool here and a 90 pick. So you want to be able to slide your trim removal tool in there just to lightly lift up on that. And then you're going to have a little clip that's something similar to this. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to slide your hook in, clip it, and you're going to want to pull forward. And what that's going to do is when you pull forward on it, that little clip is going to release the tension on this, and it's going to snap it out of place. So I'll set the camera up real quick, and I'll just show you how I do that. It's really easy. It's not too hard to do. So I'll quickly set the camera up, and I'll show you how to do that, and also how to reinstall it as well. Okay, guys, like I was saying, so it's pretty simple, right? Just put your tool in behind it. You're going to go in with your hook tool. You're going to get behind the clip. Once you're behind the clip, you just pull forward. And then that just releases the tension and it takes it out of the groove. So you move on to the next one. Same thing, just pull forward. That pops out like that. And I think on this one here, there's only one more left. And that's all it is to it. And your trim comes right off. So if you want to reinstall this, it's really simple. You just line your trim back up top here, and then wherever you have it, you just simply press down, and it goes snap, 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 and it snaps back into place, and it's all in there tight, right? Really easy. So I'll just quickly take this off, and take it off again real quick just to show you. It's pretty simple. I didn't know how to do it for a while either until I was showing how to do it to figure it out. So just in case someone doesn't know, and you gotta get window, you're looking for better trim or something like that, you'll be able to go out and do that now. So that comes out behind it. There, that comes out too. And that last one. So that comes out. Get the camera off there real quick. So these are the clips that I'm talking about right here. So when you're sliding your tool in, essentially your tool comes in and it comes behind here. And you can see like this tool here for the 90, it hooks right in that groove. And when you pull forward, it releases the tension on that clip and you're able to get that clip out. So all it is you put your tool in just to lift up on it like this. And then come in with your hook like that. Come down, and then once your hook is hooked on these tabs, you just simply pull it forward like that just to release the pressure on it, and that trim piece will pop out every time. So that's how you do that, guys. It's pretty simple. Like I said, I didn't know how to do it, and I just thought I'd put a video up just in case there's anyone else who doesn't know, and you kind of would like to know that. So anyway, that's how easy it is. So I'll set the camera back up. I'll take off the windshield wipers, the trim, the upper trim and stuff like that, and I'll get ready to pull this windshield. right, guys, so I got the windshield trim removed. Fairly easy. It went with some pair of pliers there afterwards, and I got all the window clips taken out. So now what I want to do is I want to, usually I'd have a cold knife. It's what it's called. It's a knife specifically designed for cutting out windows. I don't have it today, but this is how it would operate though. It's a knife that's going to slide in right there. But it would stand like this and the blade's flat, so you're able to twist it, and then have a little T-handle on the right hand side that you'd be able to pull at the same time you're cutting, and it does a pretty good job. You're able to get through the window. I don't have that on me. The only thing I have at the moment is banana knife, so I'm going to make it work and just do it the other way I used to do it, because I'm 3 hours from any kind of place where I can actually get things that I need. So anyway, guys, so if this is all you got, this is all you have with my scenario right here today. So what I'll do is I'll just stick that blade through the urethane on the side here, somewhere where it's easy to get to start off. And then once it's down there, that's going to open up a space, as you can see, just on the bottom of the blade there. I'll be able to feed some wire here through here now, and I'll be able to pull it back and forth like this. And what it'll do is it'll cut this urethane. So I'll set the camera up, guys, and yeah, I'll start doing this. I'll show you how to remove the window by yourself in the shop if you got no help. So, all right, let me set this camera up. All right, guys, so I have everything taken off the 71 Chevelle here now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to split this video up into 2 parts. I'm going to try editing the second half of the video in a different way. So I'll catch you guys next video.